Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm glad we complete 1A at last. Okay, 1B is 10 marks. Okay, and then they said that okay, how to use the text or data provided and your knowledge of economics. Okay, recommend a policy. Remember, policy can be big. Okay, not just one thing. Okay, which could be introduced by the government chose to address the market's failure in the salmon farming industry. Remember, the problem is a negative externality, right? Negative externality. And then in the supply side, okay, negative externality in the supply side, okay, so you just write this line, then you can remember, okay, it's just the two curves are not overlap, right? You don't need to draw the graph here, okay? Just the two curve is not overlap, the MSC, marginal social cost and the marginal private cost are not overlap, so your task is to move, okay? Shift the MPC up, okay? Back to MSC and then everything will restore to the optimum, right? But how to ship it up? Tax it, okay? Unit tax, okay? So got it, okay? So got it, you said unit tax, okay? Got all the thing, okay? So that's it, okay? Start to write the thing, okay? Apply unit test. You can say apply unit test, okay? On salmon production. And then it will ship up the MPC, okay? MPC shipped to the guess it's shipped to the left. Okay, ship left to MPC dash, okay, which is overlap with MSC. Excellent. So the optimal, wow, optimal. Everyone like optimal. Okay, optimal outputs. Okay, is restored. It is attained. Yeah, we go back to optimal queue. So no market failure. But when you do this, when you are not, yeah, you know it is a negative externality. Okay, and then what else can you find from the readings? You remember indigenous people. Okay, indigenous fish farming has some problems. So maybe I can use the tax collected. Yeah, this is one policy together, and the collected tax collected can be used for an aid. Okay, not a foreign aid, local aid, aid for the indigenous society or indigenous company, okay, indigenous fish farmer, okay. For what sake, okay, for maybe you support them or to help them education change their career, okay. Fishing, yeah, is the primary one. Maybe you can through some education, skill, yeah, on-job training, another skill, okay. Give them a new education, new skill, and then they can change their career, okay. Change the jobs, okay, to not switch from the low paid primary sector to secondary or tertiary sector. I think to me, these two concepts, negative externality, and then I can name indigenous fish farm. Both these things show that I am using the data from the text and yeah, and combining with my knowledge. Remember this part, you don't need to draw the graph, okay? Okay, for part B, paper 3, okay? Part A, you need to draw the graph. Part B, just all most of them are discussion, and that's it, okay? And now we are moving towards question 2.